In this video, we will explain about invoice section. You will have two invoice types. One-time charge and the other is a recurring charge. So if your invoice is one-time, then select one-time charge. And if it is a recurring charge, then select recurring charge. And whichever invoice your unit falls under, select that unit. Then give the invoice amount. And give invoice title. When will your issue date start? You can select it from here. Next, you can add the invoice term as per your requirement from here. It is fully customizable. We have made a tutorial video on how to manage the invoice term section. So, we put this video on the I button. You can see it if you want. For example, if we select miscellaneous, then here its term will be today's date because it is 0-day term. And if you select maintenance term, then it will be valid till 30 days from today. So we selected maintenance. Then you can see that the due date will expire after 30 days from the date on which the issue date started. Select the revenue category from here. Then select the bank account. So, these three properties are customizable. You can add them as needed. We have made tutorial videos on these. And we put this video on the I button. You can see it if you want. And you can write a message in the invoice description box. For example, if the issue date starts from today, when this invoice is issued, then this invoice will be sent to the email address of the property owner. If it is turned on here, and you can turn it off if you want. Early pay discount if you pay before the due date, then get a discount. So, if you look at the master invoice section, you can see that there is a 5% discount. So, if it's on, you'll get a 5% discount if you pay before the due date. Similarly, if you keep the late fee on, and the percentage you have given in the late fee box. If he cannot make the payment within the due date, then this late fee will be added. Then submit. If you want, you can pay directly from here. What do you pay, by credit balance or payment received? If you have a credit balance under the unit, you can pay with the credit balance or pay on payment received. Here you have this owner under this unit, so this owner's name is showing. And from the payment method, whether you pay by check, cash, or credit, you can do as you wish. Then give a reference from here. If you have paid more than the due amount of the payment, then this over amount will be credited to the credit balance. You can set the pay date from here. And you can give notes in this note box. You can upload a payment receipt file or pic from here. And if you turn on email receipt, an email will go to the owner as soon as the payment is made. Then save it. After saving, you can see that we are taken to the direct cash application section. Also, you can directly add cash from here. If you go to the invoice section, then go to invoice details and you can see all the information. If you go to payment history, you can see that the status is paid, and if you click here, you can see that there is no late fee. If there was a late fee, then the late fee would have been shown here. When you go to Credit David, you will see that the excess of what you paid remains here as a credit balance, and you get an early payment discount for paying on time.